Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cow print eye look. So if you want to see how I was able to do this, make sure to continue watching. So I'm going to start off with doing my brows, and I just very lightly do them. Look very subtle. It's just doing very light brush strokes and just not trying to make them too defined. Definitely not identical, but I don't think that really matters. So I don't normally spend too long because my main focus is on the eyes. I use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. It's probably my favourite primer. Most of the time it doesn't end up creased or anything like that, so I would say a primer is quite nice because it just sets the eyeshadow, but I know people use concealer as well. The palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 35B palette. Very colourful and bright. Most of the colours are quite matte, but there is a few shimmery ones. So I'm mainly going to be using the kind of purple and pink. I'll be using white eyeliner to make the cow print. So this doesn't have to be detailed or colourful. So I'm just going to try and make it as simple as possible. Hopefully I don't go overboard. I'm going to be using this pink colour. Wow, I absolutely love bright colours. Personally, I choose them over quite natural eyeshadow colours. I'm just gonna darken the eyeshadow a little bit, so I'm gonna be using this kind of dark purple. A little bit of a cut crease and add a kind of lighter pink. This shimmery pink. Using this colour, so it's just the one above, and it's just the peach colour. I'm going back in with the dark pink. I'm also adding a little bit of black. I was using the same brush and I accidentally put black a little bit on that bit, but I don't think it matters too much. But I'm just using my finger as well now to just rub everything in quite nicely. I'm just gonna go back in with a bit more purple, and I'm just gonna put that a little bit in the corner. Now I'm using some wipes just to clean up the under eyes, and the corner of my eyes. I'm going to be using the white eyeliner. I've never actually used white eyeliner before, so hopefully it turns out okay. I'm using the L'Oreal matte signature eyeliner, so it comes in a little pot. Just these two colours. I'm also adding a little bit of the black. Also use a clear brush just to help my lashes not get too stuck together. To this one, I think this liner is just much better. It just comes out better. I also set my brows with some clear brow gel. In summer, I don't really wear a full face. The only thing I do is my eyes. I would do maybe eyeliner and brows and a bit of mascara. This is a cow top that I actually bought a while back, and it goes with the eyes. It looks really nice. I really like it. It is absolutely boiling outside, but we're just gonna keep going. Massive spider, and it just appeared right in front of my face, and I stayed calm. And anyway, apart from that distraction, I'm gonna hurry up and finish this look. I'm not sure about the neck bit, if the makeup's gonna go on the top, but hopefully it doesn't. Prep and prime. Also gonna be using the porefessional primer from Benefit. This is a mini version because I just have tons of mini versions of everything. I'm just gonna put that in my most oily places that I often get oily in, and it just helps keep everything nice and smooth. I would say I am starting to break out a little bit, so hopefully hopefully it doesn't ruin the look too much. Now I'm going to be using the tinted moisturizer, which is perfect for this weather because it's got SPF 30 and it's boiling outside, and I'm wearing the thickest jumper in the world, but it's okay. I am using quite a damp sponge because I just, for some weird reason, I just feel like it works out better. Make sure to be a bit careful around the eyeliner because, like me, you don't want to do it again because it took a long time. Lightly tap a bit in there as well. Just being very careful around the eyeliner. Tap everything in. Because I feel like it goes in a bit better. Just being very careful around the eyeliner bit. I'm just gonna still use my finger and just rub it a little bit and then just put it underneath again because it just sinks in a bit better than if I was just using my sponge. Also gonna put it around here to balance it out a little bit. I'm going back in with my sponge and I'm just tapping everything in. So I'm setting everything with the all-nighter setting spray. I'm using the Studio Fix powder, the colour NW45, and I'm just setting my face, so I'm going to put it everywhere basically. Underneath my eyes. I'm putting it around my eyes as well. All of that with the all-nighter setting spray again. Some highlight, which is probably my favourite part. I'm using my sponge to help kind of calm it down because I don't want it too sharp, so I like to use a bit of highlight to help calm it down a little bit so it doesn't look too in your face, you know. Again, I would say this is just for the video. I wouldn't normally put on this much in summer because it's just too hot to wear all this, hitting a little bit on my lip and then on my nose as well. Soaks in, just quite a little brush to put a little bit of highlight in my brows. Vaseline, the best. I'm just lining my lips, and this is just from NYX. Boiling in this jumper, but it does look really nice. Quite calm in real life, but it looks really bright on camera. But I'm just using my MAC lip gloss. So I'll zoom in so you can see the actual eye look. Thank you for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing a very different look and I'm glad it came out alright. Make sure to subscribe for new videos and I'll see you very soon. And you did it right.